gracious!
Oh my
Hello!
god, hi!
Hi!
How are
This,
you?
I'm good. How much makeup did you put?
I put eyeliner, I put lipstick, and I put blush.
There are like 4 layers of makeup that I can see. Like layer
Hey,
1,
you
layer
want me
3.
to give you a tutorial by removing my makeup? I don't even have makeup. I hate you. I'm never coming live with you again.
Today I'm very, very happy. Guess why? I'm very
Why?
happy because we have with us somebody who's 10 years old but has done some exemplary stuff. And in her 10-year history of being on this planet, she has made a lot of history. So I'm thrilled and pleased to welcome Ritika Badiani to a show called Kuch To Corona. Ritika, so nice to see you, yeah.
Same here. Thank you so much for such an amazing introduction. And I'm 10 years old, right?
Was 10, I thought 10, 11, no? You said 11 last time. I didn't believe you when you said 11, but okay.
Hi guys, I am 18 years young and not 10 years old. Huh.
You're 18 years young. Listen,
Yeah.
for this you'll have to give us a birth certificate for us to believe this. Because I
Okay.
do.
For that, you all will have to follow me on Instagram and wait for me to upload a story.
Oh.
Go
I think
follow me, guys.
all the people here are following you on Instagram. So I
Okay.
should be the one who should be saying that for all the people who are on this live, please follow me on Instagram.
Everybody who's watching this live, go follow Rishabh.
No, but tell me, why are your nails? First, let me ask you this very important question. I saw five colors on 5 different fingers. Is this correct? Why?
Yeah.
Show your hand. Show your hand. Are Baba, show your hand now. Huh. So why five
No.
colors? Why 5 colors, Baba?
Um, because firstly, we have 5 fingers, and life right now, people think that is not very colorful, and I try to add as much as color as possible. So
You,
I start with this. I
you, life is not colorful, so that is why you're adding colors.
know. A lot of people think right now कि जिंदगी बेरंगीन चल रही है and all of that. And ऊपर से, what do I have to do at home?
Correct. So you decided to color your nails different colors.
Yeah, it's fun. You should try that.
Hair also, na once.
I'll leave that to you. You should also have something to do now.
Good one, yeah, good one. But
I
Rasha,
know, I'm coming back really well today.
yeah, for a change. This is very different from our normal conversations.
I know.
Next, talk to you. I should go live. Then it's fun, yeah. Otherwise, it's just one way making fun. But
That is because I let you win, now. I let you win, that's it.
Acha, but don't tell me, how do you spend your quarantine? What do you do through the day?
Well, I'll be very honest. I think that abhi ulta ka I am zyada busy because I don't come to know when the day has ended. Because firstly I wake up and then me, mama, papa, we make sure that
Firstly, you wake up.
yeah. I mean, just after I wake up, me, mama, papa, we go and meditate.
Firstly, you wake up.
I'm just being very,
I'm just
Okay,
joking.
so we meditate firstly, subah, and then I do a little bit of skipping because I eat a lot abhi, and whatever I see, I'm like, so I need to work out a little bit, but I am not a workout person, so I do a bit of yoga, I do a bit of skipping in the morning, and then we have breakfast, and then me and Papa we do ghar ke kaam. I do jhadu, pocha, and dusting, and my papa's into bartan. Because my mom is having a knee issue. So we make sure that she is resting.
Every day, jhadu pocha you only do, right?
Yeah. Jhadu puja and dusting. Yeah.
Actually, listen now. I'll tell you one thing. We usually have 8 people who help us at home, but these days there are only. So you'll come over or what? You'll come over. I'll send a car to pick you up and drop you.
Guys, I should stop you right there because you're asking me to get out of my place, which is, I think, not
I'm just joking.
exactly.
Listen, don't get me. Don't unnecessarily put privacy. Uh,
Right.
but how else do you spend your day? So you do all the daily chores. Then after that, what do you do? What does a normal day look like after the daily chores? आप Netflix करते हो?
Um, no, Netflix I don't. Because I spend my day, firstly, I check my mails, and ऊपर से normal life में कभी भी whenever you're traveling and shooting,
Mail
you,
as an email.
yeah, emails.
अच्छा, not
And
the post box वाला mail, not that वाला.
no, emails.
Sure
And
ना?
what?
अरे I'm
I
just
can't
joking.
hear you. I can't hear you properly.
I'm saying, are you sure you check the emails only and not the post box wala mail, right?
Rishabh. Moving on.
Hello.
After that, I reply to DMs because whenever we are traveling, we tend not to reply to our fans. Actually, not fans, family. So I try to interact with them, and then I play with Richie. I have a pug dog, so I spend a lot more time with him because he's happy now that we're not traveling and our bags are literally in that one corner. So he's the happiest person right now. So me, Pama, Papa, we play with him. Then we listen to songs. We watch movies, whatever comes on TV, because we don't prefer going Netflix.
At 7 p.m. do you log on live? 7 p.m. every day you should log on live to this one place called I Am an Official, and you should be happening. This is a really cool guy. This is a really cool guy who usually
Really?
goes 7
What's his
p.m.
name? Can you
You
please tell me?
You're talking to him. Achha, okay, but tell me one thing. You said you only check your emails, right? You only check
Huh.
so you only check mails. That's it.
Yeah, I mean, I
What
make
about
sure
the
that 13 minutes.
what about the other genders? अच्छा okay, ठीक है. मैं joke
Very bad, yeah. What is happening with
कर-
you? Are you alright? Have you
okay.
had food today?
No, no, I've
Are you
had food.
breathing oxygen?
अच्छा okay, ठीक है. चलो, so tell me, apart from this, what should young people do sitting at home? It's called Tum Bhi Karo Na. Okay, so the second part of what we call Tum Bhi Karo Na. So tell me, young people sitting at home, if there is one thing that young people should basically do, what is it that they should do sitting at home?
Well, I think you should help your mamas because right now I know that every housewife, every mother is having to work double, because इतना खाना मांगते हैं लोग, इतना काम करवाते हैं. You should help your mama. Go learn. Oh yeah, I also have learned cooking. So me and Papa, we make evening snacks. Um, let it be Gujarati, like I mentioned, Gujarati food or anything. So you should learn cooking because cooking is damn interesting. It's fun.
So what did
And
you cook?
also-
What did you cook today? What did you cook?
Today, dhokla.
Listen,
The white
you're
dhokla.
lying. You're lying. I don't believe
You go check my Snapchat stories.
अच्छा okay, ठीक है. I will. But this dhokla is edible, or do you give it only to Richie? I'm just asking out of
Oh,
curiosity
I
again.
have to come up with a very nice comeback now. Rishabh,
But how did you name him? How did you name him Richie? How did you name him Richie?
because I used to love Richie Rich. You know that cartoon used to come?
Ah.
I used to love watching Richie Rich.
Listen,
And there
you're
was a
10
dog in
now.
Richie Rich.
Listen, you're 10 now. Tell me now. Really tell me. This will only stay between you, me, and the people who are watching this.
Think what you want to, Rishabh. I can't change your
No,
thinking.
no, I'm just joking. All your fans absolutely love you, and they're sending love struck. Now I don't know whether they're sending it for you or they're sending it for me, but I'm guessing it's for me. So I will just continue assuming that.
खोलो कुछ और क्या? No problem. एक जिंदगी मिलती है सबको.
No, but tell
Guys,
me.
unfollow this guy right now.
Oh, no! Listen, I have as many followers, as many likes. The number of likes you get are 22 times more than the number of followers I have.
Okay, I get it, but no talking about maths, please.
Achha, okay, ठीक है. So tell me.
Yeah, also I think everybody should, make sure that if you have brothers and sisters, you distract them and you keep them busy firstly because they are not going to understand why they have to stay at home. So dance with them, sing with them, go run behind them. उनको थका दो and उनको सुला दो. That's it. That's what I think you should do with your, little bhais and behens. And also you should take care of your elders.
So
Look
you
at
have a
them and
little.
study.
Do you have siblings? I don't think you don't have any siblings in and around.
I have
No.
Richie.
So all the attention comes to you.
Yep,
Lucky you.
I know.
But
And I
but
also
tell
think
me,
that right now everybody has the time to study. You can study every day, and ऐसा नहीं है कि oh I have to go to classes, I have my school, I have this. You are free. Just 1 hour कर लो, बस बात खत्म. And listen to your parents, please.
and listen to your sorry what?
And listen to your parents. Of what they are asking you to do.
Yeah, and
Also,
especially if you're in the age bracket of 10 to 18, to pakka.
Exactly, because parents know what is right for you. They can never tell you something that's not right for you. So always listen to
No.
them. They are only wanting to make you.
On a serious note, actually, I think irrespective of your age, parents know much more than us, and therefore we always should listen to them. So I really do agree. जब भी मैं मेरी mom की बात नहीं मानता हूँ, and I try to do stuff which I shouldn't do, I really
Goes wrong.
regret it. Yeah, it goes
Yeah.
wrong. Yeah. Like I tried making
Same.
my bed. It went wrong.
Like,
But
okay.
no, but no, this is wonderful. Asha, tell me one thing. How do you start with this whole Instagram, TikTok? You're like now a TikTok sensation. You've got like all these millions of people who listen to whatever you say, right? Like you say something, you flip your hair, and like there's like millions of kids who are like looking at you and saying, "Wow, this is amazing." I don't know how it happens and why it happens, but it happens. So, Abhi,
Oh my god.
no, I'm just joking, yeah. I'm joking, but you do a fabulous job at what you do. But what's the how do you start? Take me through it.
So Instagram, I don't really remember when I came on Instagram, but I definitely do know that a lot of my friends suggested that you should just come on a social media platform. I was only on Facebook otherwise, and it just started. I don't even know how it all started. I just kept posting all my pictures, and my first post was with Shakti Arora, whom I literally adore. I love. I have a big crush on him, and so yeah, I started my Instagram with that post, and then TikTok was just for fun, between
कैसे चालू किया आपने
exam-
TikTok कैसे चालू किया?
TikTok was exams के just पहले actually. मुझे लगा कि यार मुझे बहुत stress आ रहा है exams का, so I was like, everybody is on this app, and I think I should also hop onto it. And then I started, and then it was like, oh wow, you can actually remake everything that you always wanted to in your head. So whatever dialogue you wish, you can do it. You are your own actor, producer, director, DOP, everything, choreographer, everything. I was like, this is fun. This is something that I would like to do. And trust me, TikTok is literally just for entertainment and fun. Whenever I want to be stress free, I'm like, okay, let's make TikToks.
So your stress buster is TikTok. But you're not
Right, it's TikTok.
ऐसे ही
Yeah.
TikTok एप्लीकेशन खोला और आपको लगा that automatically that आपको लगा कि चलो TikTok वीडियो बनाए. So and then you started making videos, is it? That's how it started? Something like that.
Yeah, it's something like that. It's exactly like that. I did not even
ऐसा ही
know
हुआ था.
what it. So they, and I got this representative badge on my profile, and I was like, whoa, there is something on my profile. Why am I able to see some kind of an emoticon or something right next to my picture on TikTok? And then they were like, oh, you've become famous, and that's why we want you to be verified. And I'm like, wow, that is how it all happens. Woo.
अरे मुझे वेरिफिकेशन करने के लिए मैंने 6 बार मेल लिखे, बाद में 6 बार रिस्पॉन्स आए कि आप फेमस तो नहीं हो तो आपकी वेरिफिकेशन नहीं हो सकती है. बाद में मैंने 3 लोगों को बनाया. अरे what, हाँ?
You
Huh?
aren't famous? Come again.
तो बाद में मुझे बताया this is only for big personalities and people like that, so we cannot do this. Then I utilized a lot of influence, oh god, and then finally कड़ी मेहनत के बाद कितने letters of recommendation के बाद then they verified me. So you're very lucky. You're very lucky. But I'm not on TikTok. Do you think everybody should be on TikTok? Do you think people like me also, everyone should be on TikTok? क्या लगता है आपको?
Well, I think it totally depends upon you. You know, if you are Shokeen and if you don't have any other stress busters, and if you feel that you want to be something, and more than being something, you just want people to admire you. You want people to watch you, and you want to get recognized. So definitely, you should hop on to TikTok and be active on Instagram.
But you think people will follow me if I join TikTok? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, of course, people love jokers. Don't you think? People love. Somebody came with a good comeback. No, jokes apart. But trust me, I think the knowledge that you have, if rather than making, rather than lip syncing, if you make your own original sounds, I think people will genuinely love you on TikTok because you are
Original
intelligent.
songs.
Yeah,
But
like original, like you. Yeah, like you should talk. You should make a song on something that's intellectual. Maybe
Go
maybe
Corona
related
Go.
to study or anything. Yeah,
Go
go
Corona.
Corona go. Bye Trisha.
No, but this is great. Yeah. So it's your journey is very very inspiring because you've been a child actor also. Yeah. You've done Airlift and
Right.
all these movies and commercials, and one day I saw you on a hoarding, and I was like, shit, she's even on a
Which you did
hoarding.
not even send me on WhatsApp. You did not even click that picture.
Listen, if I would have sent it to you, then you would have like climbed God knows which mountain.
So what? I know. I come back to Earth then.
Then you would have reached Mars, and then you would have reached Pluto, and then to bring you back would have taken years.
Oh my
But
God, NASA would be happy.
probably they'll give you a room in the International Space Station. But
Oh my God, let's not talk about all that.
but keeping it light. Let's not talk about that. Keeping it light. Nakul is there. Oh my God, Nakul. I just want to take a second to say hi to Nakul. Nakul sir is a big inspiration for me. He's this legend in Indian cinema. In Indian television industry, and now hopefully in cinema. Since the last 72 years, he's been working in Indian television, and I think he's one of the biggest role models personally. Since I was a little boy, since I was 3 years old, I've been watching Nakul Mehta.
Really?
And do you know Nakul Mehta?
Wow.
And he looks
I
the
do,
same.
yeah.
And he yet looks the same.
I
Even
know.
today, like a 21-year-old. I don't know what he's done. No, I'm just joking. Nakul's
Wow,
he's a lovely
he's
guy.
magic. He's magic. What else can we say? He's magic.
No, but no, tell me. But tell me. But tell me about you. We were discussing about Airlift, and we were discussing about your performances as a child actor. Did acting come
Right.
naturally to you, or how, like in a sense, like
Trust
as a
me.
kid, did you always want to become an actor, or did this just happen?
No, I never even had 1% of wish that I wanted to become an actor. I never really thought of it. I just wanted to be a normal student. I wanted to become an interior designer, and I always was, into interior designer, like interior designing. Every house that I used to go to, I'd be like, no, this is wrong. You gotta keep that over here. As a kid. So I always wanted to become an interior designer, and trust me, acting just came out of nowhere. It was destined for me, I think. I was performing for Shamak Dawa. I was a Shamak Dawa student, and I had my performance in Shanmukhananda Hall, and that day was my first ever audition. And trust me, that was for Joy Lucas Jewelers with Hrithik Roshan. That was my first ever audition. I did not even know how to give auditions. They asked me to give my introduction. I'm like, okay, hi, my name is Ritika. They're like, what are your profiles? I'm like, profiles? And they were like, you need to turn left, you need to turn right, and you have to look straight into the camera. And I'm like, oh wow. And then I got selected. And my mom literally called them thrice. My mom was like, are you sure? My daughter Ritika Badiani. We called her Ritz. She came at this time. She wore this. Are you sure?
Even your mom
And
didn't believe.
I
No?
went with the
Even
no,
your mom.
not at all. She was like, huh.
like मेरी बेटी कैसे कैसे
No, I mean, she was so happy, honestly, and it was on her birthday that I gave my first audition,
How?
and she was super happy. And I saw Ritik sir right in front of me, and I looked at him. I'm a crybaby, okay, so I keep on crying for no reason. I saw Ritik sir entering the set, and I started crying. I literally started crying, and then he looked at me, Udhar, and he's like, "Come, bacha, come. You want a hug? Come, give me a hug. You want to click a picture?" I'm like, "Yes." He's like, "Okay. Call your mama, call your papa, whoever's with you." He was so kind.
How
I
nice are
still
you?
remember that day.
How nice, how lucky
I know.
when if Ritik would have looked at me and I would have started crying, he would have said, वो बच्चे को निकालो यहाँ से, सेट से निकालो. No, but no,
No,
but
I think बचपन में even बच्चा लोग like you would have looked cute, huh? So बचपन में everybody looks cute. शैतान भी बचपन में अच्छा लगता है ऋषभ.
I am 3 years elder to you, boss. I'm 21. Yeah, so
Okay,
I don't know. बचपन तो बचपन ही चल रहा है. But
oh my god, बचपन ही चल रहा है.
let
Okay.
me ask you one final question before we open it up to the audience to ask a few questions. Cool.
Okay.
So this is the final time that I will ask you a difficult question. It is the most difficult question. नहीं सच बोल रहा हूँ. It's the most difficult question, and if you answer this
Okay,
question,
I am ready. Don't stress.
okay. If you had an opportunity, to choose between a movie in Bollywood, or a movie in Hollywood, opposite me as the lead, which one would you choose?
Bollywood. Trust me. Honestly, jokes apart, Rishabh, but genuinely, I really adore your personality. Genuinely, like not kidding. इसके बाद there's not going to be a big comeback, but genuinely, you are so young. You know, of course, like you mentioned. Okay, don't stay earth pe hi. You are also very young, and you have achieved so much. You know, and it's amazing. My mom actually loves you. Genuinely.
Oh, please tell her hello. Is she there?
She would be
Please tell her
watching from her room right now for sure.
I'm sorry, what? She's watching in her room for sure.
Yeah. You can say hi to her.
Hello, hi auntie.
Hi, mama.
No, well, thank you so much. Yeah, and people like you keep inspiring me. All of you guys do some incredible stuff, and that is no, I'm not joking, and I'm not doing this because you did it. Actually, I'm doing it because you did it. But no, but honestly, what an inspiration! I said that.
Be nice to you next time now.
No, I'm just joking. I said this in the beginning also. I said it right in the beginning. But let me ask you the last and final part of what I'm supposed to. We do 21 questions, okay? It's called a 21-day countdown. But I won't do 21 questions. I'll do 3 or 4. Okay?
Okay.
First one. And I know you won't be able to answer this, so I'm starting with this. Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Because you're talking on Instagram, no?
You know me now.
Okay. Second one. Hollywood or Bollywood, if you had gotten a choice?
Bollywood. Anytime.
Your favorite city in India after Mumbai?
Gujarat.
City. Ritika, city.
And Gujarat mein, okay, hold on. Gujarat mein Rajkot.
Achha, okay, Rajkot.
Rajkot.
One line in Gujarati that you use every day at home.
આજે જમવામાં શું બનાવેલું છે?
Too good, yeah.
I know, right?
આજે જમવામાં શું બનાવ્યું છે?
આજે જમવામાં હજી સુધી તો મને નથી ખબર. I hope કંઈક નાઈસ બનાવેલું છે.
તું તો ખાવાનું બનાવતી નથી ને? તું ખાવાનું બનાવે
હું બનાવું છું, I told you.
ના એટલે તું રાતનું જમવાનું પણ બનાવે છે?
ના, only evening.
અચ્છા.
No, it has to be thoda alag na. I mean, it'll get घिसा पीटा then.
That basically means the night food actually has to be good. Achha, okay, tell me, what is your favorite household chore? Which is your favorite household chore?
Pocha. Because that's another kind of a workout. Honestly, I'm like, Papa asked me one day that, Bacha, if you're not comfortable doing pocha, you can tell me. He felt as if, I would not be happy doing it. So he asked me, but pyar se, Bacha, so tane nati karu, to you tell me. I'm like, Papa, let me do it. It's my workout. I don't work out. Let me at least do this. He's like, wow. He was happy that, unki beti is taking this अच्छे से. So he's like, चलो ठीक है.
Tell me, which is your favorite movie?
No, I can't do this.
Favorite movie is very easy, yeah. Elif.
Movie, I think. Yeah. But I think one movie that I can watch anytime is Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Yeah, Ranveer is too good, na, in that.
Oh my god, I love Ranveer Kapoor.
He's adorable, yeah. He should join TikTok, don't you think?
He should. Oh my god, I would 24/7 just keep stalking him, just keep investigating his account.
I know, yeah. That guy is an absolute legend. But coming back to you, let me ask you one question, and then we'll really open it up to the audience. All right.
Okay.
Last choice. Choices-based question.
Okay.
If you had one quality that you would have that you could borrow from a superstar that you like, who would be that superstar and what would be that quality? The name of the superstar and the name of that quality.
I think it would be Rekha ji, and I think I would ask her for her nazakat. Oh my god, her nazakat! Oh my god, she's too good.
And you're saying all the right things here. I'm telling you, you're perfectly prim and proper, prepared for.
Can't you see me?
Prim and perfect for giving an interview. Very nice.
No doubt you always make sure that I'm a part of IIMUN.
See, if
you should clap for this one. It was too good.
But if it were up to me, I think you should not be a part of IIMUN conferences. I think you should intern as a Kambali Bai at IIMUN.
Okay, guys. Officially, making sure that I am going to not be nice with Rishabh anymore.
I'm joking. You are an absolute sweetheart. I've told you that like 100 times over. But actually, okay, now people are going to ask you questions. Your favorite song?
Favorite song, retro mein, it's Ajeeb Dastan, and otherwise, Ajeeb Dastan.
This is a question that I want to ask on behalf of a nation. Why do you not follow?
Literally every live session that I am doing these days, I am getting asked this question, and everybody's like, I want to know this. This is the most important question.
I know. The nation wants to know. Arnab Goswami wants to know. 9 p.m. every channel wants to know. Why does Ritika not follow anybody back?
So, I'll just keep it simple and short that, I can't follow everybody. And, when you shoot with a lot of people, you have, okay, that's Richie who's scratching my door. Never mind.
Get him inside. No, it's okay.
No, but then he'll just, keep jumping on me and then he'll not let me be like.
Talk. Acha, okay, theek hai,
yeah. So.
I thought he'd be tired of you by now. But acha, okay, chalega. Acha, no. But say, you were telling.
So, I just can't follow everybody, especially when we are shooting for something which is continuity, which is for a day or two or more, and I can't just follow everybody, and I feel bad about that, especially when somebody asks me, okay, I've followed you, can you follow me back, and I'm like, then I start following everybody, and I can't follow everybody on Instagram. So I just feel so bad that I've decided, okay, इतने लोगों को बुरा फील करवाना, उससे अच्छा जो क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है वो लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए बुरा मान जाएंगे, कुछ दिन के लिए बात नहीं करेंगे, बट दे विल बी बैक.
Same. I felt the same way. I felt the same way. बाद में मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है छोड़ दो, let it be.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so tell me when is Paru going to release?
Paro is my music video. So it was supposed to release in December, but because of some issues, we had to, shift it. But I'm not sure about when is it going to release. As soon as it is going to, I shall update you all.
Okay, there's this girl called Dhruvi Varia who says, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years, Ritika?
Hi, Dhruvi. I think I would not want to restrict myself, because if I just think of, being at some, place in the next 10 years, then I think I would be restricting myself. And I think I'll just leave it to destiny, because I don't want to think too much about it. And I just want to go with the flow.
So you are basically
I love
going to just let stuff happen as not overthink.
Yeah.
$1 million question, come to Pakistan.
Come to Pakistan. Actually, I want to visit Pakistan. Literally, genuinely. मुझे बहुत मन है जाने का वहाँ पे.
But a lot of questions are, I think Pakistan is one part of the world that I think all us Indians are very inquisitive about. And given the opportunity, I'm pretty sure many of us would love to visit the people out there, the locals out there, and the place out there. Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
There is a question, and this question is by this person called Dhawan Abhishek. Who's been your inspiration growing up?
Hi, Abhishek. Inspiration? Nobody actually. I can say that I get inspired by everybody, no matter what. If one of my friends also has done something, exactly. Okay. Rishabh. Well, no, sachi mein. But I get inspired by everybody. You also, look at you. You are so young and you are doing so good. So definitely you also inspire me. And at times Richie also, because Richie, him being a dog, he will understand things that, I don't think humans can understand. So you can get inspired by anybody.
Listen, first you said you get inspired by me, then you said that you get inspired by a dog.
That's just me being smart, okay? That's just me being smart.
This is all the revenge. But tell me, have you ever had an MUN experience before? So basically, there's this conference, this organization called IIMUN, and we basically organize conferences. So really, we organize conferences in 160 cities in India, and and you could participate in any one of them. So whenever you feel like having an MUN conference, you know where to look.
Rishabh. I just have to call Rishabh.
No, but there is this second last question. So all you guys who have questions, please ask away, because this is the second last question. What's your plan after quarantine? What is Ritika Badiani going to do after quarantine? Are you yet going to be the Kamwali Bai?
Rush to my. I'm ignoring you for now. I'm going to rush to my Nani Nana's place, because I meet Nani Nana एक week में एक दो बार for sure, and I am not able to meet them at all. And I will first go to Nani Nana's place. I'll then go to my Pani Puri wala bhaiya. I'll go eat 50 plate of jitni Pani Puri I can have, and then I'll go for shopping. I will go for a long drive with Richie. That's it.
Listen, it's like you've got like a full to-do list that is made.
Yeah.
Asha, now this is the last question. I think it's very apt. Who's your favorite TikToker?
No, I can't name everybody, because honestly everybody is too good. everybody has their own way of making TikToks. A lot of people make original sounds, a lot of people make conceptual videos, a lot of people do dance videos, lip sync, what not. And everybody is so talented that naming one would be very tough for me. It's everybody who's good. Well, I'll just name myself. Maybe if you are running on TikTok, I would take your name.
Done. So I'm joining TikTok because if you take my name right now and on TikTok, I think I'll
Okay,
automatically
my
get
favorite
followed.
TikToker is Rishabh.
How sweet, yeah. But honestly, I don't think I've seen a more driven and a more hardworking person in her field at 18 years of age. I meet a lot of 18-year-olds, and honestly, from the little interaction that I've had with you over the phone and over the years, I've kind of always gathered. And when you've gone to all of these places and you've spoken, the only feedback that I've always gotten is, why can't we have Ritika come again? This basically shows that you are an inspiration. I've read your story. I've spoken to the people who've shadowed you. They only speak about the maturity and the volumes of hard work that you put behind anything you do, right from acting to modeling
Thank
to
you.
being that TikToker and to being now a very, very popular Instagrammer as well. So whatever you do, you do it with a lot of hard work and perseverance. And just like our Prime Minister says, it's not Harvard, but it's hard work that will get you ahead. If anybody from Harvard is watching this, please do not sue me.
No, but
But
thank you so much, Rishabh, for itna acha compliment. Generally, I really always I get super duper happy when I get a call from your team, or whenever I get a notification on Truecaller having somebody from your team, and it's just so good to be connected to IIMUN. And every MUN that I've been to, I don't think I've had. It's just been so easy, so comfortable, so good, and everybody is so cooperative. But yeah, one complaint that I have is everybody keeps calling me ma'am, and everybody's too good.
but But Ritika ma'am, it's true. You deserve to be called ma'am, not because of your age, but because of the fact that you've achieved a lot. See, in towards the end, I'll be nice, yeah. Throughout.
No, no, I know, but I also know that you are a very genuine person. So end mein, everybody has to be genuine.
Very, very true. And honestly, it's been a lot of fun whenever I've spoken to you. And now I'm going to make it a point to speak to you even more often, because honestly, you're fun, you're hardworking, and you are a bundle of talent. I'm pretty sure I'm going to see you on the big screen soon. And when you come on the big screen, I don't think I think all of us are going to be, all these people who are watching are going to be super proud of you, just like your mom was on the first day. But this time we won't be surprised. This time we'll be expecting it, and we'll be standing there and clapping for you.
Thank you so much,
Ritika,
Vishal. Means a lot. Thank you.
Ritika, Ritika, it's been a pleasure talking to you, and thank you so much for coming.
Yeah. Thank you so much for making me a part of this. Bye. Take care.